Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spring cleaning video. The weather is definitely warming up down here in North Carolina, so it's definitely getting me into the mood to deep clean my house. Right now I am just sprinkling some baking soda all over my mattress, and I'm going to let that sit. I just put a microfiber towel on my Swiffer, and I am dusting my walls with that. Now I'm using my actual Swiffer with my actual duster to dust off my blinds. If your dogs are anything like mine, as soon as they come inside from being outside, they will shake off and, oh, hey Max, and they will leave dirt on the walls or on my bed or anything that they are close by. So right now I'm just taking my thieves and wiping all of that down. Yes, my mattress does have a hole in it. You can blame my dogs for that one. Alright, next up we have my closet. It is a complete disaster and I have not kept up with this whatsoever, so it really needs some TLC. I am first going to take every single thing out. Well, right now I'm actually taking my laundry out and my vacuum, and just picking up everything that is on the floor. I'm throwing every single thing on my side on the floor. I feel like my side was a complete mess, so I'm basically just starting from scratch, and I had no idea that any of this was under here. I knew some of it was, but I didn't know it was this bad, so I'm going to work on this. On Max's side, I'm just organizing and putting all of his work shirts in the front and all of the hoodies and zip-ups towards the back. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching!